Hello, my name is Marie. I am a focusing teacher and therapist, and I want to show you how focusing can help you. So, this practice of focusing is a remarkable mind body integrative practice, and it really shifts the way we hold our life issues and our struggles and our pains in a way that allows them to open and to find more life, more connection to life, so that they can begin to move forward out of the stuckness, and then we begin to move forward. So if you'd love to learn something more about focusing, I would love to show you. I have some courses coming up. I have an introductory evening all about focusing, and I have a short introduction to focusing course coming up in January. So you'll see the details below, and I look forward to connecting with you and sharing more about focusing with you.